Let's continue our journey to learn more about the parts of speech. Let's recapitulate what we have done in our previous video. We have done nouns, they are the naming words. We have done pronouns, they are called noun replacers. Then the verbs, verbs are the words which denote action or the state of being. Then fourthly, there are adjectives which are called modifiers of nouns and pronouns, means they give some extra information about nouns and pronouns. So now let's move forward. And what's more is there? So students, let's begin with adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which gives some more information about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Let's see how it happens. For example, there is a sentence, sit there. In this sentence, the underlined word is an adverb and it is adding something to the verb sit. The same is there in this sentence, come in. The verb come is modified by the word in. He is sitting silently. In this sentence also, the silently word is an adverb and it is giving some extra information about the verb sit. So in these three sentences, the adverb is used as a modifier for the verbs. Now in this sentence, he is very intelligent. Here is something different because the underlined word, which is an adverb, it is not going to add something to a verb. Here it is giving some information or it is adding to the adjective intelligent. So here an adverb is used for an adjective. Let's see what next. He goes for a walk daily. Here again, the underlined adverb daily is used for the verb go. The point is that the adverbs also answer the question when regarding an action. She solved the sum quite correctly. In this sentence, there are two words which are underlined and both these words are adverbs. First, we'll talk about the word correctly. The correctly word is there to add something to the meaning of the verb solve. So, correctly word is there as a modifier of the verb solve. Now, the second word which is an adverb is quite. The quite adverb is adding something to the meaning of the adverb correctly. So here the adverb is adding something to the another adverb. So this is all about adverbs, but one thing you have to be very careful about the identification of adjectives and adverbs. Both these parts of speech, adjective and adverb, they are the parts of speech and they are somewhat similar because both of them are the modifiers, but the difference is adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun and adverb modifies a verb. Look, as it is there in this sentence, this is a hard sum. And in the second sentence, you should work hard. In both these sentences, the word hard is used. But in the first sentence, the word hard is adding something to the word sum. And the word sum is a noun. So here it is used as an adjective. In the second sentence, the word hard is adding something to the verb work. So here it is working as an adverb. So the fact which is to be kept in mind is that a single word can function as different parts of speech. The next is preposition. As the very word indicates that it is to tell something about the positioning. So how it works? A preposition is a word which is used with a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to something else in terms of place, time, or method. And how it happens? For example, children cannot play in the park. So here the underlined word in is showing the relationship of the children with the park. Clear? If we just write this sentence without using this word in, children cannot play the park. So it will not make any sense. So these very prepositions are also very essential because they are used to show, to denote the relationship between different nouns or different pronouns in a sentence. One more example, stay at home. The same as here. Here again the preposition at is showing the relationship. He went to Jaipur. Here the underlined word to is working as a preposition. She will complete her project by the next week. Here again the underlined word by is a preposition and here it is telling something about the time. I will see you on Sunday. Here again, the preposition is used to tell the relation of the pronoun with the word denoting time. The next is conjunction. Conjunction is also a very important part of speech. It helps us in adding different parts of speech and adding different sentences. So let's see what it is. A conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences. For example, Rita and her friends are working hard to win the game. Here the underlined word and, it is connecting. It is joining the two words Rita, her friends. So all the connectors or connectives are the conjunctions. It not only joins the words, it joins the sentences also. For example, she worked hard, but she could not succeed in her mission. So here there are two mini sentences, I should say. There are two sub sentences in this sentence. One is she worked hard, another is she could not succeed in her mission. So both these mini sentences or sub sentences are joined by a word but. So here the word but is working as a conjunction. There are some more conjunctions like yet, because, when, though. These conjunctions help a lot in the construction of various types of sentences. We'll discuss about it in detail later. And the eighth part of speech is interjection. Interjection is a word which is used to express sudden feelings or exclamation. For example, hooray, we have won the match. In this sentence, the word hooray is there to show the sudden feeling of joy. So it is an interjection. One more sentence, oh, I missed it. In this sentence, the word oh is there as an interjection. There are some more interjections like bravo, ah, ouch, wow. So these interjections play an important role in communicating or giving words to our sudden emotions. I hope this video will be of a great help for you in identification of the parts of speech. This is the basic lesson, or this is the first step to make you prepare for the interesting, hard but interesting journey to learn an international language, English. Thank you.